Okay, you need a VPN. Okay, a free VPN. Uh, you must go to this site. This site is hot hotspotshield.com slash fr slash not slash fr, not the English version, because if you go to the website, English website, you don't have this button here. You just have start with free version. Okay, uh, this one. Okay, start free trial. It's not good. Okay, so uh, go to the French website, hotspotshield.com slash fr. Okay, um, click on this button. Okay, the blue button, the blue one here. Okay, download Hotspot Shield. Okay, when you download, when it's okay, you have this one, this file, Hotspot Shield, 12.14.1 plane, etc., etc. Okay, uh, you have this uh, this picture on your computer. Okay, you click, you install it. Okay, you click on, you install, and when it's installed, you open it. Okay, don't click on free version here. Click on basic, continue with basic. Okay, you click, or refuse the offer, refuse. Okay, and you can start. Okay, now uh, if you are you go here. Okay, United Kingdom, no. Okay, you can choose a lot of um, area. Okay, if you if you take one of United States, Los Angeles, New York. Okay, you click on connect. If you click on connect and you want to go to some website, okay, yeah, now it's connect. I'm connected on New York. Uh, I go, if I want to go to MLM Center, like this. Okay, okay, I can't do it. I can't go to MLM Center if I take one area on USA. Okay, so um, I want to take another one, United Kingdom. Okay, I connect United Kingdom. Okay, I'm connected. Okay, now if I want to go to MLM Center, I can do it. Okay, that's all. Okay, download Hotspot Shield, take the basic version, install it. Okay, and you can go everywhere. Thank you.